Right, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to take a bit of a break off working off the Mini, and want to get on with doing a bit of a service, just an oil service and filters change and plugs and that to the Porsche. So let's I'm going to get it up on axle stands, let it warm up for a little bit while it's up on the stands, then drain all the fluids out, and then carry on with the service, and then hopefully this weekend try and get out and use it a little bit more. Just going to let her run for a bit, let it warm up, and then get the draining this oil out. Right, I've whizzed to Halfridge to get the proper tool, so I've got the proper tool for this. Right, time to chuck the oil in. Well, it should take about, I think it was 8.2 litres, so this is 5. So I'll go and get the other one. We'll check it in between times, I don't want to overfill it. I'll let that settle for a second and change the air filter, and then I can top it up as we go. Go and grab the new filter. Don't actually look bad, this one. Alright, I didn't really want to, but I'm going to take the bumper off because I want to try and get to the exhaust as well, because I'm thinking about building a muffler delete. So I'm going to take this off. I've already snapped 2 bolts, so might as well just carry on anyway. So I'll take this out first. Right, you wouldn't normally have to do this, but because I've done the old gauge join, because I built the body kit, I'm going to have to cut through this because it's kind of linked to that, and that will keep that as just one piece. Oh god, if that was a normal 996, that would have been off in minutes, but because of those stupid bits I've made, that's taken forever. Alright, let's carry on with trying to get there, because I've broken the nuts on that side, so they're probably going to break as well, but this is what happens to these things. Or anything exhaust related, their bolts seem to corrode and then just snap off. Joyous. Who'd have thought exhaust clamps would be so tight? Right, I've got the silencers off, so let's fire it up, see if it's worth doing the old back box delete. I think we might have to do it. With some new plugs. Right, so I just got a handful of bits. I've got an elbow and it's a bit of 3-inch pipe, and there's a bit of 50mm stainless, and I'm just going to offering them up, seeing where to cut and how long bits are going to be, and then go to tack them together in the garage. So here we go. Right, so this is one of them. The welding is rubbish, but it's all pinned together. It's not gonna leak or cause any blowing at all. So go and get these two jammed on there, get it back on the ground, see what it sounds like. Right, that's it for this week. So a nightmare job, well, easy job, just oil service and stuff like that, but other bits, bolts snapping and stuff like that. But I got the service kit from Heritage, well, it's VW Heritage, so I put their website in the description. But that was cheap. I had a look around on eBay and stuff like that. It was 180 odd quid for a service kit. Went to my local parts place and they couldn't get one, and I found this Heritage place, and it was only, I think it was £82. By the time it was delivered to my house, it was about 92 quid. So that was filters, plugs, 2 O-rings, like your rubber O-ring, and your thing for your sump. But yeah, it's all good. Then obviously a bit of a pain in the ass to get to certain bits with bolts all seized, so I've chopped bits off, and then while we was at it, did the back box delete. Probably a little bit too loud, but oh well, we'll roll with that for a while. So I'll catch you next time.